I think it started off on a very positive note. We had the Prime Minister not only giving a very substantial speech, but he went into various details of how he sees that India can look at a turnaround in terms of the economy, in terms of industry's participation, in terms of partnership, in terms of industry really contributing to the social agenda. I think he's left a very strong positive sentiment to those who attended and to the larger audience to whom we were able to reach. And I think that's the message that's going out, that we need to we need to have a much more positive outlook today for the future of the economy and industry in the country.
He emphasized that 8% growth is possible. What is needed for that one?
I think we are also very clear from the industry that India can and has to get on to an 8% plus growth mode over a period of time. And really, we are looking at the type of implementation gaps which are today issues of concern. So if we see a little bit of partnership between industry and the government, if we are seeing action in the front of implementation, we have a policy framework which is strong, we have a regulatory framework which is strong, so we are pretty much positive that we would be able to get things turned around.
How do you see the India of tomorrow teams, governance and
India, if we have been doing a lot of globe trotting in the sense to ask as to how people are looking at India, and we find that the India story is looking to be very strong. We are looking at countries and investors, potential investors, really wanting to come into India with a lot of positive framework of mind, and therefore we are very hopeful that we would be able to come out of this situation, which is coupled with the global situation, with the effect of the global situation, as well as also some of the actions that we need to take internally. But I am quite certain, the industry is quite certain, CII is quite certain that we would be able to get out of this over a period of time and really look at a very strong future, both for the economy and also, which is very important, that we have been discussing, the social agenda of the country.
so finally, how do you see the mood of the people?
I think it started off in a very, very positive mode, and we have a series of people from the government, the policymakers, the implementers, and the industry participating together in this two-day conference, and it has really therefore started off, as we saw in the morning with the Prime Minister, in a very, very, very positive note, and we really would like to see this kept up over the 2 days, and as a result of which we would find definitely the sentiments and the mood coming back. Thank you.